Ka Sorkar celah ka sengi thok ding kala Kyntait ban Kyntait Eiei Halor ka Kamti deu yong ha ka bapau ka balong kat kum ka juk start science menta ne ka open cast progressive scientific coal mining la ka ya hap ne em na ka menta ka celah da ka baong bakidon ki riu shampang na ka Sorkar pedeng ki ban pin scam ya kane.
So each one has got their own mining plans. I'm not an expert in the mining plans, and hence I don't want to comment on all those aspects. But all the plans will be approved by central government agencies, which is what is being done. And the process, of course, is tedious because, as I said, there are different aspects of the land holdings, being different in our state compared to the others, and hence the policies that apply here are different from the policies that apply in the rest of the country, and so on and so forth. So keeping all those factors in mind, the fact that this is happening for the first time, things are taking a bit longer than we would want to. But once we have a system that comes into place, the policies, and as and when the tweaking takes place for the cases for Meghalaya and wherever adjustments need to be made based on the different conditions, I'm pretty sure that in the coming months and years, the following processes will be much more smoother. So therefore, it's a process. We are happy that things are moving in the right direction. And we're very hopeful, as I said, that things should be happening very, very soon. So let's wait and let's hope for the best. As I said, we're very positive. It's in the right track, but I don't want to share too much. We'll speak more about it when actually happens.